Welcome to HR Chronicle Payroll Management Software. In this video, we will look into how to process final settlement for resigned or terminated employee. What is final settlement? The final settlement process marks the end of an employee's journey with a company. It involves the calculation and disposal of dues, the return of company assets, and the completion of all necessary paperwork. Let's look into this video. How to process the final settlement for the employee. Step 1. Go to Employee Benefits, Settlement, Final. Click on Create and select the employee you want to process the final settlement. Enter the employee last working day. Select the leaver type: resigned or terminated or absconded or transferred. Enter the date. Enter the remarks. Select the leaver reason type: death or leaver. No of work days will be automatically calculated based on date of joining and last working date. After entering the above details, we can either save and close or save and continue. If we select Save and Close, the employee will be listed in the final settlement screen, and his final settlement will not be done. You can come and do it later. Status will be mentioned as not initiated. If we select Save and Continue, we are processing the final settlement to next step. Step 2. Verify whether the leaver is manager to any employee. If yes, then assign the employees to another manager and click on Save and Continue. Step 3. Verify the accruals of airfare, leave, and gratuity, and continue. Step 4. Verify if any pending salary. If applicable, click on Process Pending Salary in Final Settlement and continue. Step 5. Verify the redundancy payment. If an employee is terminated and no longer required to work and he's terminated, the redundancy option is used to pay the salary, as this is applicable only for terminated employee. Click on Continue. Step 6. Verify any deduction reclaims. If there are any deduction reclaims, such as pending loans, or installments, or any advanced salary, click on Process Deduction Reclaim in Final Settlement and continue. Step 7. Verify any advanced salary reclaim. If employee payroll is created, and then the employee has been added to leavers and process the payroll, the amount will be reclaimed as mentioned in the last working date. Since there is no salary to recover, click on Continue. Step 8. Verify notice period salary reclaim. If an employee has resigned, and HR wants to pay the notice period amount to the employee, then HR needs to check the process notice period payment in final settlement and continue. Step 9. Verify the repatriation ticket. Upon the termination of the employment, the employee has to return to home or elsewhere. Repatriation is used to pay the air ticket. Enter the ticket amount and continue. Step 10. Verify any allowance adjustment. If there is any manual adjustment in the allowance section, the allowance adjustment option is used. Click on the Add button, select the allowance name, enter the allowance amount, and add the allowance is added, and continue. Step 11. Verify any deduction adjustment. Likewise, for manual adjustment for the allowance, the deduction adjustment is used. Enter the details and continue. Step 12. Verify any leave accrual adjustment. Any manual adjustment in the leave accrual days, this option is used by adding and entering the details and continue. Step 13. Verify any company assets assigned to employee are returned back or not. If any pending assets, click on Return and enter the date and remarks and continue. Step 14. Verify the final settlement summary. To view the final settlement, click on View Final Settlement Working. Verify all the details and the accruals, dues, and net payable amount, and click on Finish. The final settlement of employee is successfully processed. Once the final settlement is processed, the final settlement slip can be sent to the employee or viewed. To view or send to employee, go to Payroll, Slips, Final Settlement Slip. The employees whose final settlement is processed will be showing the names. Select the employee. Click on Employee Name. The preview can be seen beside To Send to Employee. Click on Email Final Settlement Slip. The final settlement slip is sent to the employee email. To download, click on Download. The final settlement slip is downloaded successfully. The final settlement slip can be designed based on the organization. Forward the sample to the HR Chronicle team, and we will design the final settlement slip. To know more information, call us at the numbers shown on the screen.